HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us visualize ordinal, interval, and ratio scale variable types. A good way to understand the differences between ordinal, interval, and ratio scale variables is to think about a horse race. Let's consider the positions of the horses at the end of the race. Winnow, who won the race, is in position 1, which appears on his side. The other horses have a finishing position on their sides. Stathead finished in position 3, so he has a 3 on his side. The horse positions are an ordinal scale variable, because the positions only measures relative distance. With ordinal scale variables, the interval sizes are not equal. The interval size, distance, between the first and the second horse, is not the same as the interval size or distance between the second and the third horse. In this new display, horses with higher numbers indicate faster horses. Also, the interval size, distance, between consecutive horses is always the same. With equal-sized intervals, the variable can actually be either an interval scale variable or ratio scale variable, depending on the value of 0. Notice that the 0 horse has actually run some distance. In other words, the 0 horse has run a distance that is not 0. When a 0 value does not represent 0 of the thing being measured, then we say that the variable does not have a true 0. This indicates an interval scale variable. In this display, the 0 horse never even ran the race, so his distance was 0. When the horse number 0 indicates 0 of the thing being measured, then we say that a true 0 does exist. When a variable has a true 0, and has equal interval sizes, then the variable is called a ratio scale variable. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.